Good afternoon, learners. This is Miss Mbata, your business studies teacher. In term 2, under chapter 7, we're going to look into business ventures. The subheading is creative thinking and problem solving. What is the meaning of creative thinking? Creative thinking refers to thinking differently and looking at something in a new way. Creative thinking is about approaching a thought, idea, problem, situation in a new and interesting way. It is a process of putting facts, concepts, principles together in a new, original ways. Businesses need to solve their problems efficiently to find creative solutions to problems. As we continue with creative thinking, we're going to look at the difference between the routine versus creative thinking. Under routine, it refers to ordinary, everyday, conventional thinking. Under creative thinking, it refers to looking at an opportunity, problem in a new and different way. Under routine thinking, it is suitable for work that requires logic, consistency, and attention to details. Under creative thinking, it is invaluable in keeping the business innovative and relevant in a changing market and to solve new problems. It does not lead to new ideas or pattern or thought. And under creative thinking, it leads to an idea that is original compared to existing ideas. And lastly, under routine thinking, it requires businesses to apply old thinking patterns to new situations. And under creative thinking, it requires businesses to apply new ways of thinking to old situations. On the previous slide, we look at the difference between routine versus creative thinking. Now we're going to look at the difference between conventional versus non-conventional solutions. Under conventional solutions, it's ordinary and unimaginative solutions. There are solutions obtained through logical, analytical problem-solving method. There is often one solution to a problem, chooses and looks for what is right, concentrates on relevance, moves in the most likely direction. Then under non-conventional solution is different and creative solutions. There are solutions that are obtained from creative thinking. There is often more than one solution to a problem, changes and looks for what is different. Do not mind chance interruptions, explores the least likely direction. Okay, number 5, benefits or advantages of creative thinking in the workplace. The first one is that complex business problems may be solved. Creativity may lead to new inventions which improves the general standard of living. Better or unique unconventional ideas solutions are generated. May give businesses a competitive advantage if unusual, unique solution ideas strategies are implemented. And then I'll go to say employees have more confidence as they can live up to their full potentials. Managers will be better leaders as they will be able to manage changes positively and creatively. Managers or employees can develop a completely new outlook which may be applied to any task they may do. And lastly, it also stimulates brain function of employees, managers, as they are continuously pushed out of their comfort zone, improving in the total well-being of employers. So creative thinking in the workplace has lots of benefits which can benefit the company, also which can benefit the manager or the employee. We'll look into one of the techniques under creative thinking, which is the Delphi technique and forces field analysis. What is the meaning of Delphi technique? It is the technique that is used to solve new and complex problems. The Delphi techniques are a popular method of gathering information by using a selected expert panel on a specific topic. Ways in which business can apply the Delphi technique in the workplace. Businesses must invite a panel of experts to research the complaints from customers. Experts do not have to be in one place and will be contacted individually. Design a questionnaire consisting of questions on how to improve the quality of data and distribute to all the panel members expect. It's like doing a survey. Survey is one of the example under the Delphi techniques. Then we go to meaning of force field analysis. Force field analysis is a method of listing, discussing, analyzing the various forces for advantages and against, which is disadvantage of proposed change. The ways in which businesses can apply the forces field analysis. It can describe the current situation, problem, and the desired situation. Identify what is going to happen if there is no action taken. List all driving pros and restraining cause forces that will support and resist the change. As we continue, advantages of working with others to solve problems. The problems can be solved faster and easier. Workload decreases if everyone does the share. So working together, workload does decrease. More ideas can be generated, increasing the chances of finding the best possible solution. Exposure to others people's thinking pattern and to the way others people approach problems, and enables team members to learn from others and accept their points of view. Greater results can be achieved. So it's like working in a team. There's no I, people. It's teamwork. So working as a team, there's great results, and people are able to share their ideas. So different ideas comes together, and you're able to solve problems. So working as a team, it has a lot of advantages of solving problems. Okay, since we're done with the lesson, any questions for those who doesn't understand? And also we're going to do an activity. So you're going to work individually and continue this activity in the class. Read the scenario below and answer the questions that follows. So the scenario is the Giant Mobile Phone. The Giant Mobile Phone Ltd wanted to change software of some of their mobile phones. Employees were requested to suggest new ideas in a large group without working individually. These ideas were used to inspire new thoughts. The management of GMP evaluated the advantages and disadvantages of each idea. So the question is, discuss the advantages of one problem-solving techniques. So you're just going to discuss the advantages of one of the problem-solving techniques. As you know that we have many techniques. So just take one and discuss it in fully. Don't just say one sentence, but go thoroughly with the question and list all the advantages under that one problem-solving technique. Alright class, finally I'm giving you a homework that you need to do at home. So the homework is that learners must interview a business and find out about the following aspects. What are the business problems? Create solutions to solve the problems. Assess the solutions against the reality of the business. So you just have to research and use the internet. Google. There's a lot of ways in able to tackle this assignment, but you just have to do your research, do an interview, and come back with the information tomorrow. We're going to mark it tomorrow in the class and work individually. It's not a group work, it's an individual assessment. So let's do this class. Thank you so much for attending my class. We'll continue tomorrow and mark the homework together as a class.